Hello JVNs, Namaste. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. Beam modification devices. Beam modification devices. Why the need for beam modification? Why the need beam modifications? Irregularity in patient exterior contour, irregularity in patient exterior contour and tissue deficit, dodge in homogeneity and acute normal tissue reactions and acute normal tissue reaction, detraction from overall effective treatment. Detraction from overall effective treatment. Definitions. Definitions. Beam modification defined as desirable modification in the beam modification defined as desirable modification in the spatial distribution of radiation within the patient by insert of any material in the beam path. Again, definition. Beam modification device definition. Beam modification defined as desirable modification in the spatial distribution of radiation within the patient by insert of any material in the beam path. Types of beam modification. Shielding to eliminate radiation. Shielding to eliminate radiation dodge some special parts of the zone at which the beam is direct. Compensation to allow normal dodge distribution data to be applied to the treat zone when the beam enter a or oblique through the body or where different types of tissue are present. Wedge filtration where a special tilt in isodose curve is obtained. Flattening where the spatial distribution of the natural beam is altered by reducing the central exposure rate relative to the peripheral. Types of beam modification devices. Field blocking and shaping block. Shielding block, custom blocks, asymmetrical jaw and multi-lip collimators, compensator, beam spoilers and wedge filters, beam flattening filter, bolus and breast cone, penumbra trimmers, electron beam modifications. Again, field block and shaping device. Shielding blocks, custom blocks, asymmetrical jaw, multi-lip collimators, compensator, beam spoilers, wedge filters, beam flattening filters, bolus, Brestcon, penumbra timers, and electron beam modifications. Field blocking and shaping device. First, shielding blocks. Amps of shielding. Protect critical organs. Avoid unnecessary radiation to surrounding normal tissue. Matching adjacent field. And ideal shielding material should have the following characteristic. High atomic number, high density, easily available, and inexpensive. The most commonly used shielding material for photon is lead. Choice of shielding also depend on type of beam used. The thickness of shielding block used depend upon the energy of the radiation. The shielding material which reduce beam transmission to 5% of its origin is considered acceptable. The term half value layer is an expression for the attenuation produced by any material. Half value layer is defined as the thickness of material which will reduce the intensity of primary beam by 50%. Practically, thickness of lead between 4.5 to 5 half value layers result in 5% or less of primary beam transmission. Custom block. Material used for custom blocking is known as the Lipovitz material or Sheraband. Metal or Sheraband. Melting point 70 degrees Celsius. Density 9.4 gram per centimeter cube at 20 degrees Celsius. 83% of lead. Most commonly thickness of 7.5 centimeter used. Advantage: low melting point than lead and hence can be cast in any shape. At room temperature it harder than lead. Styrofoam cutter. Caution: avoid bubbles while pouring spray. Silicone inside for easy removal. Disadvantage: production is time consuming. Increase in treatment time. Production of toxic fumes while fabricating. Increased setup time. Space requirement. Inaccurate daily variation. Asymmetrical job. Used when we want to block off the part of the field without changing the position of the isocenter. Independently movable jaw allow used to sit a part of the field, and this can be used for beam splitting. Here beam is blocked off at the central axis to remove the divergence. Use of independent jaw and other beam blocking device result in the shift of the isonode curve. This is due to elimination of photons and electrons scattered from the block part of the field. Multi-lip collimators. Multi-leaf collimator are a bank of large number of collimating blocks or leaf. Can be moved automatically independent of each other to generate a field of any shape. 40 pairs of leaf or more having a width of 1 cm or less. Project at the isocenter. Thickness 6 to 7.5 cm. Made of tungsten alloy. Density of 70 to 80.5 grams centimeter per cube. Primary X-ray transmission. Thank you.